After you open your chassis, taking the side panel with the clear window off using the 2 thumb screws, not the 2 thumb screws that have the panel on the back without the window. Don't touch those. It's the 2 thumb screws on the side with the window. Take the window out, and you take the packing out. You're going to find your motherboard and your graphics card and some packing material in here. After you take those out, you're going to find here a solid state hard drive, and here your spinning hard drive. There'll be some packing material on top of this. Over in here, you're going to find your RAM, your user manual for your motherboard. Over here you're going to find packing material, your RAM, user manual for your motherboard, the wireless Wi-Fi card, and then some packing material holding this in place.